Alright, welcome to Tomahawk DIY everyone. This is Mike. Today we're going to take a look at this hot water heater and restarting the gas pilot light so that it can heat up. Now, safety is absolutely important on this. Don't do anything you're not comfortable with, not familiar with. I'm showing this just to show how I light one. Make sure you read instructions, get a qualified person to help you. A few things to be aware of. There's a gas valve right here. So that's feeding gas in here. This can be, it's off like that. Okay. And to turn it on, you actually have to lift this one and then it turns on like that. There's some instructions here that tell about lighting instructions and things. This one has a pilot light we need to light. So reading the instructions, take a look, you can learn about it. There's a few different spots. It's off, there's pilot, and there's on. It can be tricky to move it to the pilot position. Now this one will require some matches to light. Down here, we'll have to take this cover off, and now we'll be able to get in there for the pilot light. So right back in here is the pilot light where we'll be lighting it. Okay, so when lighting anything gas, if you smell gas, that's a bad sign. You want to make sure you can't smell any gas because if you do, there may be more gas out than you want. It's important to note, as we light this, when we turn it to the pilot position, we'll actually have to hold, turn, and depress it. So, turn it like that, and then I'll have to depress it down, and that will let the gas out. That will let the gas out so it can be lit. I'll have to hold that down for upwards of a minute until the pilot light stays lit. So let's take a look at this. Okay, push it down. All right, we're pushing down the button.
Yeah, you push all of it.
Yes. See, we have the flame in there. So it's lit. Now we're holding down the button for about 1 minute.
1 minute.
Yes. And then when we let go of the
Can I touch on this?
Oops. When we let go of the button, see it's depressed. We need to get the thermocouple, feeling that there's enough heat. Okay, we're gonna try letting go of the button. Okay, move your hand. Good. Okay, is it still on? Yes. Okay, so the pilot light is still on. And now we're going to turn it to the on position. So that's pilot position. We'll turn to the on position now. When we turn to the on position, now it's lighting the fire to heat the hot water. So now we're going to put our covers back in place. All right, we've got one cover on. Now we'll put the other cover on. That has a couple little clips on it. There. Okay. And if we look in here, you see it? Yeah. If you look in there, you can see the fire burning. Okay. So there we go. We've lit this gas water heater. Showing how to work. Thanks for watching Tomahawk DIY. Again, make sure you know what you're doing. Use proper safety. This is just a demonstration of how I turned one on and lit it. There's instructions on the side. Don't do anything you're not comfortable with, and if you're smelling gas, make sure you turn the gas off, such as at the gas valve here. Hope that's helpful. Have a great day.